Hello friends, what's up? This is your tech dot. Today I will explain the application of artificial intelligence. The most of this education sector, healthcare sector, business, human resources, gaming sector, social media, banking, e-commerce sectors. The e-commerce, personal shopping, artificial intelligence technologies utilize construction recommendation systems, allowing you better than to connect with your consumers. The recommended conditions purchased by based their browsing history, performance and interesting of the improving your relationship with the client and the commitment of your brands. AI power assistant, virtual shopping assistant chatbots increasing customer experience when you buying online, neutral language processing, utilize make communications, authentication, invitation, feasibility. Future more those assistants are capable engage with the your consumer real. Did you know that Amazon.com customer care will soon be done by chatbots? Fraud prevent. This credit cards and the bugs review response to most serious corner that e-commerce enterprises face by taking accounts use partners. AI can help you limit our potential credit card debt. Customers have to choose purchase product service based consumer reviews. Artificial intelligence can assist identify and managing bugs review. Educational. Although you may have had to most effective on the educational industry, artificial intelligence the study to bug make in order to the educational industry. Struggling strict article artificial intelligence has to increase factual efficiency and allow them focus students to read their office and administrative tasks. The automated administrative tasks in artificial intelligence is used. The generating smart content. Artificial intelligence can build digital information such as video lecture, conferences, textbooks, ads, may be customized alternate interface such as animation, learning content. Pupils are grades. Artificial intelligence contribute a rich learning experience by creating, delivering audio and video summaries as well as compensative lesson. Voice test. It provides students with access to additional learning material support with their need for the direct interactions of the lecturer and teacher. They reduce the expensive produce temperature and books while he also makes simple frequent last corners. The personalized the healthcare sector is the top AI application healthcare sector, increasing permanent industrial catalog and transformation operation dynamic feature AI healthcare. It is user and interface in the liberating healthcare professionals to concentrate more on patient-centric activities by automating routine administrative tasks. Automated administrative process. AI seamless administrative workflow, automating tasks such as appointments, schedules, recording, keeping, and billing, producing facilities, efficiency, the patient communication, feedback management, and enrollment process enable healthcare. Provide all locate more time to direct patient diagnostic support. AI assistant healthcare practice diagnostic tasks after bring insight derived from analyzing medical images, lab result and patient record, enhanced diagnostic accuracy, provide quick and data-driven information, contribute and more informed decision making. Smart clinic documentation. AI adds to digitalized clinic information, transfer handwriting note and reporting to the structured electronic format, improving speed and accuracy documentation process to ensuring comprehensive organization patient record better than continued care. The business purpose. The AI-powered chatbot virtual assistant streamlines customer interaction by providing instant response to query facilities, routine tasks, enhanced customer service, automation of data analyzing and business. AI algorithm analyze the vast data is extract meaningful instant information, strategic decision making, facility predict analyzing trend identification, marketing forecast, improving business to stay competitive and dynamical market. Supply chain optimization. AI application optimize supply chain operations, prediction demands, improving interaction management, enhance this logical enable reality time, track reduce intensive, ensure the more healthy lifestyles. Artificial intelligence the significantly impact various weight lifestyles and numerous applications, underscoring the previous influence of the top applications. AI plays prominent role in the automotive industries. It is the major manufacturer such as the Toyota, Audi, Ola, and Tesla employs machine learning tool in computers with the human-like thinking, drivers, environment, objects detection, algorithm, enhance safety, prevent accidents through intelligent decisions to make. Spam filters. In our routine use for emails, AI drives spam filters have been invaluable services like a Gmail and achieve the impressive filter capacity around 99.9. Automatically direct spam emails to designated folders. This ensures that users will encounter legitimate relevant content. Facial recognizer mobiles and laptops and other any more AI devices. Everyday devices like a smartphone, laptops, PCs utilize facial recognition powered by AI algorithm. Employees face filter. The system provides secure access by detecting identify users behind personal device. Facial recognition find the widespread applications high security sector across the various industry. The robotic utilizing AI as revolutionized field. Robotic introduced modern applications that have transformed that way robotic operating interact with the world. Has some of the AI application robotic autonomous and navigation sectors. This AI equipped for robotic ability of the navigation and move autonomously complete environment. This particular crucial industries such as the manufacturing logistics where robots can effectively carry out tasks without constant human interaction. Objective recognize manipulates. The advanced AI algorithm enabled robotic recognize manipulated objects which is precisions of the virtual sectors like a warehouse, automation, robots can identify pick and pack time, enhance efficiency, speed, logistic operation, calibration, robotic chatbots. The AI utilized developed chatbots, robots, and chatbots can work alongside of the human safely. Thus, robots use AI adapt dynamic environment, make them well situated tasks in calibration with human works. The human resources. This human resources is chatbot introducing imitation application, streaming process, evaluation workforce management. Some of the top artificial intelligence applications in HR. Automate recruitment process. AI employees automate various stages recruitment process, resumes screening to candidates shortlist and ensure the efficiency and candidate selection, saving time for the HR professionals. The employees onboard training. The employees onboard training. The AI facility personalized onboard experience by tailoring programs and based on individual employee needs. Power chatbots, Power AI can provide instant response to query and onboard processing, promoting positive employee experience. Predict and analyzing talent management. AI does predictions and analytic vast data, identify the partner related to the employee's performance, turnover, and this helps HR profession to make data-driven decisions, optimize this management strategy, prediction, future workforce. Gaming. This artificial intelligence has to significantly response gaming industry, introducing advanced application that redefine players' experience, push the boundaries of the achievable within a game real as to application gaming. NPC beware. This NPC adapt response crucial player actions to more and challenging game experience. Produce convergence. AI generating games content dynamically, including landscape levels and characters, and approach provide rewards gaming environment without need to manually adapt to difficulty system. This AI contributed creating adaptive difficulty system that dynamic adjustment challenges level. Gaming based players through social media. The social media has becomes a constant in the social media, and the 10 AI application influence use interact to engage the platforms applications real social media. Example, most of AI social media, Instagram. The Instagram AI user like to account the following post here river explore tab. Facebook. Facebook utilizes AI and deep text. This feature allows Facebook better interrupted discussions can automatically translate a post from the several languages. Tita. The tutor is the AI identified for removing optional materials. Tutor is also utilized suggested to the users might like the marketing of a personalized customer experience. This is effective analyzing individual customer data, allowing business creativity, personalized experience, including customer product recommendation targets missing, and personalized content deliver enhanced customer engagement. Dynamic pricing logarithm analyzing marketing congestion compared to pricing customer behavior to optimize pricing strategy dynamically. Ensure business remain competitive, can adjust price based real time data. Ad campaign optimize. The AI optimize advertising campaign by analyzing performance material real time. This including advertising strategy, target parameters, create maximum returns investment on the campaign effectively. The artificial intelligence emergency games change the marketing, the strategy, optimize waste process, and the key role of AI application to market. Personalized customer experience. AI tied to marketing efficiency, analyzing individual customer data, allowing businesses to create personalized experience to the customers' products. The recommendation target message, personalized content, deliver enhance customer. Dynamic price optimize. The dynamic price optimize marketing condition compared to pricing and customer behavior optimize pricing strategy dynamically ensure business remain competitive, can adjust price based real time data. Ad campaigning optimize the this ad optimize advertising campaigning analyzing performance metric real time, this including adjusting the strategy and target parameters and create a maximum return on the investment campaign experience. The artificial intelligence, e-commerce and personalized enhanced support, dynamic prices structure, fake review detections, voice searching, the educational sector, voice sector, game questions, smart content creator sector, the HR sector, GPS this. The voice system, personalized intelligent routing and traffic prediction, posting planning, the artificial intelligence, healthcare, insight analyzing and pattern monitoring, surgical assistant, the artificial intelligence surveillance. The artificial intelligence also surveillance by recognize face and objects. This recognize capability use enhanced face objects to help to military and protect their prevent attacks real time. Let us stay closer to AI applications object detection. This object detection CNAA algorithm help to tracking object interesting real time. The feature allows system detecting an object movement when you require for future prediction analyzing. This AI surveillance can analyze historical data and take effective decisions. This can be achieved by improving different techniques used by machine learning, deep learning, artificial. Number 3 are combined this prediction and behavior analysis. The body gesture says all that AI surveillance can analyze human behavior pattern such as the gesture, recognize her body language, analyze, assess potential threats, suspicious activities. Artificial intelligence in finance sector, the most important sector in finance sector. This artificial intelligence finance sector This artificial intelligence finance sector, 80% banking except AI can provide them benefit according their decision finance from providing corporate advisors and outcome related finance. AI capable also use sending automated test mails, predicting risk loans, detecting unwanted transactions activities, targeted customer spam, fraud filters, unauthorized actions, responding to threats, extra. This fraud detection of AI algorithm can analyze large volume of financial data, identify patterns autonomously, then can lead any fraud activities by continuously learning from historical data as well as capable handling work with such as the data. It enabled ability to prevent for the future threats. Risk man this AI algorithm helps enable safeguard risk assessment models by analyzing large data, identify potential risk to real time. The forecasting. The high forecasting tools can assist planning forecast that can create easy opportunity business to make efficiency business decisions can achieve by analyzing historical data. Data security in AI. The most important thing is nowadays this data security. This data security is one of the major corner of any company. Keeps information about many users' credentials, secrets, information company. There are many AI applications that use keeping those data safe and prevent for any kind of valuable threats attacks. Take care close to AI threat detections. This threat detections AI algorithm can analyze. It works large data, safe mode, various sources such as the networking logs, users behavior, system activities, so on. Helps early detection, malware, unknown threats. Vulnerability of management. AI can assist in detecting vulnerability systems, analyzing codes, configurations, networking infrastructure, and AI algorithm. You have access can start scanning process automatically. Vulnerability of trace based potential impact. Malware detection of AI. This AI detect, predict, analyze pattern malwares to provide shield against any new threats. By allowing machine learning, deep learning techniques, AI can easily identify previous malwares, prevent future attacks. This artificial intelligence tourism sectors. The artificial intelligence improved quality experience to travel, truck floating, which is used to transport heavy load users, and AI manage the load and efficiency manner. Traveling route, ride, share, which is the use real-time traffic specifications, possibility due to the user's artificial intelligence, closed loop AI application, travel and transport. The AI also use customer historical data along with the real-time data for customers flexible planning under the planning and personalized. AI uses customers historical data along with their real-time data to offer any customer flexibility planning under their project to help driving more sales matches to individual needs. Prediction analyzing prices. This AI can variable providing prediction determined to pattern, company strategy, offer conditions and traveling assistant higher rates. Route analyze in AI. Users are logarithm. It is detecting alarm users about any upcoming traffic during usual routine improvement, unexpected experience. This works real-time data. Be highly used nowadays for all segments in the public. AI in marketing sector. Finish. Artificial and entertainment. AI's recommendation to the can analyzing technology data including viewers pattern, use performance extra historical data. Now data being used provide personalized recommendation to keep up engage ratio and watch time. Audience insight. The help environmental entertainment companies analyzing large volume data and this can become a mainstreaming companies make effective business decision by using AI. The AI decision support in military. Artificial intelligence weapons. Take closer look at AI application in military. Automatically, the decision support. AI algorithm can analyzing to data including sensors input, intelligent report, historical information, thus providing while taking effective to including stock management, resource locations, and without actual human interaction. Cyber attacks. AI play a crucial role detecting, responding cyber threats, military networking. AI algorithm also capable enough to manage vast data safety can detecting abnormal activity before actual training. AI use logarithm try that stop different situation that can be made more or less realistic. This can help you make decisions, movement, strategy, play activities. The conclusion of this topic. The AI application was transparent and this improving shopping experience, educational outcomes, revolutions, and healthcare, robotic, and military technology, finance sectors, travel and tourism sector. Please subscribe my TechDude channel. Please like my TechDude channel. Thanking you once again. Your time.